In this video, I will show you how to repair your toilet if it's not filling up with water. Stay with me to the end of the video and I promise that you become a pro in this matter. Also, at the end of the video, I will give you a tip to make troubleshooting a lot easier for you. I insist you follow my steps and please don't skip any. Please subscribe and hit the like button to support my channel. Let's see what tools you need for this job. You need a channel lock, you need a towel, you need a bucket, you need a sponge or a shop vac, and I show you the required materials in a bit. As you can see, I'm planning to use a shop vac instead of a sponge since it makes the job quicker, and also I don't have any sponges around. First thing first, you need to open the tap to make sure that you have water in the house. Let's open the tap in the bathroom sink. As you can see, I have water in the sink and it confirms that the problem is only with the toilet. Let's go back to the toilet. I removed the lid for the toilet tank. And as you can see, there is no water inside the toilet tank. Now I'm going to test the toilet to find out where exactly the problem might be. We have 3 plumbing parts to test: a shut-off valve, a supply hose, and a filler valve. I'm going to start the test at the lowest point, which is the shut-off valve. You need to have a braided hose after the shut-off valve, and if you don't, then consider watching my other video here to learn how to replace your existing toilet supply hose with a braided hose. Now turn the valve off. Disconnect the braided hose from the toilet tank. And place it into a bucket. Slowly turn the valve on to make sure you have full pressure at this point. If you don't have full pressure, then the problem is with the shut-off valve or the braided hose and you need to replace them. But in this case, I have full pressure down here, which means the shut-off valve and the braided hose are just fine. And now I'm 100% sure that the problem is with the filler valve inside the toilet tank. So for materials, I just need a new toilet filler valve, which I already have a universal one here. I use a shop vac to empty all the water inside the tank. And now that all the water is removed, I start removing the old filler valve. Removing it is very easy since there is only one nut holding it in place. Loosen the nut and it should come off. Now I start preparing the new filler valve and put the parts together. You can read the instruction that comes with it or just watch how I do it. I installed the new filler valve and connected the supply hose back. Let's turn the shutoff valve on. As you can see, my toilet is just fixed. Here is the tip I promised you at the beginning of the video. Based on my experience, if you have a toilet that is not filling up with water, there is a 90% chance that you can fix the problem by replacing the filler valve. But it is always a good practice to test other parts and make sure they are working properly. I hope this video has been useful, and if so, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.